they're screaming at each other when we got there, and I mean, they're going off. So we're like, we're just gonna go ahead, see what you got going on here. They have plenty above the garage now.
Wow.
And
builders from Texas.
yeah. So we're all standing there and just kind of taking a look, okay, because we're just giving them a bid. And we cut down some sheetrock, gonna redo the water. The garage door goes down. We're all just standing there, we're looking around at each other. And what it was their new neighbor's code was the same as theirs.
Oh, shit. That
what
is
are the
insane.
odds? Yeah.
That, and it made their house freeze?
Yeah, because it opened their garage.
Wow. Oh, that's awful.
We're all looking around each other. Did you hit the button?
Who hit the button? And they're ready to kill each other.
Oh, ready to kill each other.
Is he outside?
Huh?
Did he go outside? He might be locked up.
So look down there and just kind of get an idea of which way it's going. Remind me, we need to get some more leather gloves. And the guys they'll take their leather gloves after they've been through the sewer, just saturated with sewer. They'll take them home and wash them.
Huh.
Like my wife killed me in my sleep.
I use like rubber gloves with like knobs on them.
Good stuff. Which way is it going?
Go west.
Okay. Just kind of take her easy.
Is that hit a T?
Yeah. Just kind of. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. It's not going to be your best friend. You're just going to have to give her hell. There you go. So you got your own augers and stuff that you can do that, all this little stuff, right?
Yeah. Cole recommended Schnacker.
He's good if you can get him. I mean,
I just talked to him today. I'm getting him set up in our system. So. I used to use a guy named Purvis.
I've heard of that.
He worked for Snake and Rooter for a long time. And then he went out on his own. He has reliability issues.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And then his insurance lapsed, and I was like, man, I can't use you again until you get your insurance. And then he fell off the face of the plane. Phone got shut off, all kinds of stuff. But he was good, man. He'd get through some shit I couldn't get a snake to go through.
Seems like a lot of the guys I've been around, there were some roots hanging down right there. I think that looked like a busted pipe to me.
Let me go back.
Now keep going. See if we can get above water. Yeah, keep going. Looks like we're above water. You giving her hell? Yeah. Okay, slowly bring her back. Had surgery on my hand. They cut out a bunch of bone.
Ooh.
Some kind of bone. See if I can get that in there. Okay, hold on. Go forward, go back forward again. Okay, come back. Hold on, stop right there. That looks pretty rotten right there. Now she's holding water 20 feet. She's full of water. So did Snacker get a camera yet, or?
I don't know. I just called him to see if he could clear drains for us. Some of the bigger stuff that I just don't want to fuck with.
Yeah, and he's good, you know. Alright, stop right there a second. Go forward again a little bit.
He said he didn't want to go to Manhattan.
I'll bet.
I was like, I got plenty of properties in Topeka to keep you busy.
Okay, go back, come out, back out. Okay, go forward a little bit. Yeah, that's a T. Okay, come on back.